Hi guys, it is August 1st. Wanted to give you a tour of the front yard garden and salad bowl area. As you can see, I've got some gorgeous sunflowers starting to appear here. And it's really sort of taking over the bay window, which I love because I love to see the shadows cast on the floor. I've also sort of flanked this with some zucchini plants down there, and you can see that they're open, hopefully expecting and accepting pollinators. I've got some green beans that kind of grew up here. I'm going to plant some more green beans in the backyard, I believe. And Fiona's here crying. So, I've got some more up here as well. Some zucchini here. This are the little mini pumpkins. Look how cute they are so far. I've got another one in here somewhere. I've been trying to trim those. Ooh, there was a bee right there. To get onto, right here, to pollinate some more little mini pumpkins for me. So I really like this, and I really like having these big vines going in front of the sunflowers to keep down the weeds. I'm actually kind of glad that those green beans didn't really take off. We had so many green beans from last year that we're kind of sick of them. Plus, it would kind of be difficult to get back in there and step over all of these leaves and not disturb things to pick the green beans. So I'm glad that that actually worked out. So here, these are the yellow patio cherry tomatoes, and they're starting to turn into color. So I'm going to have little pops of yellow there. These are the Sweet 100 cherry tomatoes, and eventually all of these, as you can see, are going to turn and be red. I've got some carrots growing in the front of this pot, and I've done the same thing over here, and you can see lots and lots of them over here. Same thing over here, so that I can flank this and it will pick up the pops of color in these little birds that I've got on the door, which I've got a lot of yellow ones and pink ones. And this is just made up of that curly willow. And I've just got some ribbon in the middle, and I just attached a really pretty ornament that is now faded out. This used to be bright sparkly pink. So I'm just going to have to find something else to replace that. So now moving on, I've got another tomato here, and I think, yeah, this isn't going to be a cherry tomato because look at how big these are. This might be like a mortgage lifter or a black creme. I'm hoping black creme. Those are kind of my favorites. Got some chives up here. Some more butter peas, and you can see the insects are getting this a little bit. It's the only spot. I've got these in 4 different spots that it's doing that up here, that the insects are actually getting it. Here I've got some cilantro, and you can see that this is cilantro starting to go to seed, so I'm just going to let that continue. It's not really taking much of the footprint of the garden in here anyway. And here I've got some white onions down here. And since this is part shade, they're not growing as big as they are in the tomato beds with full sun. Those are some more butter peas. And here I've got another tomato plant up here. And this is not going to be cherry either. And I brought these two up here from the $0 garden bed. Rather than cutting them, I was actually able to dig out the roots, and I thought I'd see if they would survive. They survived quite well. Here, I'm going to start a patch of cilantro, and then from this rock to this rock, I have got the all-year-round lettuce heads that I just started, I think it was yesterday. This is empty space right here. Probably going to put some carrots, maybe some onion in there, probably carrots. And some more butter peas are in here. And you can see every one of these blooms on here, you can see this, will create a pea pod, which will have anywhere from 3 to 4 gorgeous, creamy, pearly white peas in there. Okay, and I believe that is it for this garden tour so far. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Love you.